Look at the goalkeeper. So goalkeeper, he's directing ukuthi ufuna bani ebondweni. And then he says he wants 3 on the wall. You cannot, Bafethu. Never. Never. Okay. Uti sharp. Ne? 3. Right. You never. Oh. When the wall is in the 18 area, you cannot have 3 defenders. What are these players doing here? Bamele in laba. Bamele in because melu uthatha abanye uyobafaka ebondweni. You take your 12 players and put them in the wall. Nakuzofaka uFan Rooyen ebondweni because these guys, you can see ukuthi they are going to shoot. So you can even take your defenders and put them on the wall. Not this thing there. Marabo Buthelezi. How many years uku PSL? Bafethu mara lidlala ngathi. Balishaya khona la uFan Rooyen. Na uFan Rooyen akajampi. Inside. He's hugging the pole. He's Valentine's Day. But it was a great free kick. Mara Buthelezi mara ndoda mfana kithi. Mara yang disappoint uButhelezi. Sugar.